Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Good morning, good morning. What up, Invest? How you doing? Good morning, good morning. We're here a little early today because we are going to be on My Fund and Futures TV later at 10:30. So we'll have to cut the stream a little short. So for that reason, I'm starting a little early. And yeah, check out this market. Man, just to the moon. Just to the moon. No playing around. To the moon. Look at this thing. Rip up. Holy cow. All-time highs. Eric, good morning. Insanity over here. Insanity. All right, let's kind of do our top-down analysis. You know, our little, we like marking everything out. Normally I do this before I get on stream, but hey, we shall do it now. Ran a whole lot of stuff to the downside. Hard not to be bullish here, but then again, it's like, what do you really do? I mean, look at the 4-hour here. We did hit the all-time high there overnight, 100 points above it, in fact. And I think we mentioned this kind of like before we got off stream there. It was like, you know, does anything about the 4-hour look bearish, right? When you got this huge wick on the bottom of this 4-hour, that's all you need to see. See that huge wick? That's not bearish at all. So still got some levels to the downside. We did run the all-time high by a lot. Like I said, 117 points above it now. So might be a little bit of a tricky day. I guess it can't be any worse than FOMC, right? Crazy earnings happening or something. I don't know, Coper. It's just, this thing is just moonshot. Gold kind of went a bit crazy too, huh? Yesterday. Pushed down lower was what, into the 3600s. But like I mark out my levels every single day. What I do is I go to the previous day, open and close. So let's do that. Is that right? Yeah. You can see, I mean, I marked this out at close yesterday. I was thinking that we'd run up into the 530s. We didn't quite get there, but it did after hours or after we opened back up. Let's see. So this is our close candle here. So the close is 502. So I just always mark this out. Previous day close. And then if the open's within a point of it, I don't mark it out. Point or two. Where's the open at? 498. Yeah, I mean, that's 4 points. All right, I guess we'll mark it. So that is effectively the gap. All right, that's effectively the gap. Now let's see what our overnight low is. I mean, it's going to be up there, right? So this will be our London low. Let's mark it out. I did start a giveaway, but for some reason Streamlabs is not posting it. Good morning, Omnius. Let me refresh it one time and see if it pops up. Let me try to resume it. There we go. So I marked that out. That's the London low. I mean, really, those are the levels we're going to be looking for today. So for me, in order for me to take a long, I'm going to need a sweep of that and kind of boom, or fill the gap. We'll be looking for the gap fill. I mean, it's 235 points, but this is Nasdaq we're talking about here. Good morning, LHM. Guys, today's giveaway will be a 150K Take Profit Trader account. 150K. Okay, I forgot to do that. Copy. All right, let me send this over. I forgot to send over the winner yesterday for the My Funded Futures account. Let me do that now. There we go. Got that sent over. Perfect. Morning, Mo. Morning. So, yeah, it might be a tricky day today. I don't really know. Let's see. Let's check out the news. We will be on My Funded Futures TV at 10:30 a.m. this morning. Dylan in the house. 10:30 to 11:30, 1 hour. Okay, news today, U.S. leading index, 10 a.m. 2-star, don't know that does anything. Honestly. 10-year tips auction at noon. That's a bit of an odd time for that. And that's really it. Finally today you get a win. Maybe, Mo, maybe. All right, perfect. You already got the account credited. Perfect. All right, I'm going to open up Mancini's newsletter here, and we're going to read that. We got time this morning. Also, let me do one more thing right quick while I'm thinking about it. Let's see. We need to flip our Take Profit Trader account right quick. Let's do that while we're thinking about it. This will be day 5. So I'm just going to go 2 ticks. 2 tick stop loss, 2 tick take profit. Let's see if we can do it here. It's going down or up? What do we think? I'm on the right account. We're on micros. 2 ticks. All right. Stopped out. Woo, still over by $1. All right, let's put that account away. All right, what account do we have on here? 185. All right, let's make that our lead account. There we go. Good morning, Predator. Enter the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point cash. Exclamation point cash. 150K Take Profit Trader evaluation given away. Okay, let's make sure we do have the credits. I do owe somebody an evaluation too. I don't remember who it is. Don't remember who it is. What do we want this on? We want it on Tradevate. Yeah.
I got front and back and side to side. Then I let the Alpine play.
Might be too early for that for some of you people. But not me. Cold shooting some hoop. I can't help it. All right. Let's read Mancini's newsletter. See what he says. I mean, I'm sure he's not taking into account that we're at all-time highs. He probably thought we were going there anyway. He's holding a 10% runner from the 301 fell breakdown of last Friday's 63 low provided explicitly yesterday, and I will let this runner work for now. This is a very routine FOMC day. FOMC and CPI days are often more complex and difficult days to trade of the year for ES. Blah, blah, blah. Generally, ES remains in a very tight range, mostly between 6673 and 6656. 6666 being the magnet. I mean, this is really, I don't know. For melting down, you never buy the dip. Hope the level holds. Always wait for the fell breakdown. 6644. I mean, like, this is crazy how far down that is. Yeah, I mean, we're over 100 points away from some of these levels. I don't think we're going to get all that much insight from this newsletter. Might just have to mark out like the overnight low. Very similar to what we were talking about already. All right. So I'm going to mark out the overnight low on ES. And I'm going to mark out the London low. And I think the overnight low actually sitting at that magnet level of 6666. I'm probably going to use those levels as like failed breakdown levels. I'm really going to be careful here. Going to need some sort of retracement back down into those levels. Thinking that's what we'll be looking for. Good morning, Robert. Curd in the house. If you guys are not entered into the giveaway, jump in there, exclamation point cash, 150K take profit trader evaluation. All right. Head and Shoulders here. Yeah, small one, potentially. Again, I mean, I would be waiting for some sort of pullback into like the London low. Really might be kind of a tricky day, but I think we get good price action. I cannot room beats. So Bulenox for some reason is not connecting on Ninja. However, it is connecting on Quantower. Something's ringing oozy. But won't let me log into Bulenox on Ninja. Vinzi, how's it going? Are you new here? I don't recognize the name. Your TPT is also doing the same thing. I'm connected to TPT. Disconnect and reconnect it. Yeah, still working. Bulenox won't let me in though. Oh, what's up, Vin? You were subscribed already. Cool, cool, cool. Alpha, we're gonna be on we're gonna be on gotta even talk. My Fun and Futures TV at 10:30. Yeah, I'm logged into Apex and Apex and Take Profit Trader on Rhythmic. Oh, it's working now. But yeah, we're gonna be on My Fun and Futures TV at 10:30. So we ended the stream a little early. Same drama. So since we'll be ending a little early, we got on early. Bulenox working now. Can we do what friends usually do? Turn at My Fun and Futures TV and start talking the piss out of you? Yeah, go ahead. Sure. What up, Black Beauty? Yeah, I'm red $1. This is a flip. I just flipped for my last day on this 50K account. Flippity, flippity. Flippity, flippity, flippity. Or are you thinking we're going to be red on the day? I mean, we are pushing below levels. ES is pulling back. It's below the VWAP already. We're pulling back into the 700 here. Kind of interesting. Do we just short here? As soon as I short, it'll bounce. All right, let's see what Mancini has to say here. Yesterday's long is what I repeat daily. Never short, only take failed breakdowns. I manage level to level. Trial runner FOMC defined by traps. Newsletter readers got the 66.33 Friday low breakdown. I gave here 3 p.m. 66.51 reclaim. Target hit 67.20. Wait for the next deep trap. So yeah, just wait for the next trap. You started streaming on Pump Fun. Already made money on my first day. YouTube is for the elites. Nice. You're streaming, Alpha? Give us 700. Yeah, I mean, ES is right there at the 6,700 now. So... pushing below here. Oh, you only have 17 subs after 4 months? Are you being consistent? Let's see. Let me double check and make sure that today's the day they asked me to be on there. I thought so. Verify. I got an update to do. September 18th. Yeah, it's today. All right. 600? Dang, Matty Matt. How's it going, Francis? Yeah. We're early. 700 level here. ES pulling back too. I mean, I am tempted to take a short, but say long only day? No, I never said that. I mean, that's typically what I do, but top of the hour here. Man, I want a short so bad here. I'm not going to. I want to. I mean, ES is dumping here. We're almost at the London low on ES. I mean, we're only 10 points off it. Yeah, probably Smokey Bear. What up, Pine Tree? I don't know. If it were me, I'd be trailing tight, but you know, that's me. It's me. That's how I do it. She's a pulling back. I don't want to dig a hole deep, you know, before I get here. Once we inverse the 30-minute gap. ES at a key level here at 91, so. Morning, Rob. You passed an eval last night on a breakout. It's the best crypto experience I've had. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm watching the 5-minute. We just broke. I mean, like, should have probably got short up there at like 7-11, but. I'm going to take it. You know, only 35 points lower than I said I would, you know, than earlier. I just think we've pushed into the VWAP here. ES is losing that 91 level there. All right, I'm going to go break even here. Let's go. It's always good to make 200 bucks before the market opens. I'm in very late there. You jumped in as soon as I said it. Yeah. Outside Top Step, any other good props that use Project X? A lot of them, Mo. You got Project X on a lot of them now. I mean, heck. What do you got? Trade Day. Bulenox. Who else uses Project X? Didn't Tradeify just get Project X? Yeah, Tradeify just got it. Yeah, you got a lot of them. Trade Day X, all that. So, good, good, good. Yeah, true, Smoky Bear. True, true, true. Man, ES is so close to the London low now. Overnight low down there at 664. Around 20 points away on ES. But a sweep of the London low and then a recovery of, say, 66.83. I think we run back into the 91. So maybe a sweep of 680. You can long back above 83. Potentially. Get Tradeivate off their ass and make some updates to their platform. Yeah, we'll see. The only thing I don't like about Tradeivate, really, to be honest, is the copier. Everything else I'm kind of a fan of. I mean, I think it's all right. The copier's not very, I mean, it's all right. It's just not very good as far as can't bracket order. I think that's stupid. From the discounts you have, which prop would you recommend? Trade Day. So take Profit Trader 1, Trade Day 2. They're going to be $69 all in on Trade Day for a 50K account with no activation fee. And then we'll go Bulenox and Apex. Tradeify is very good as well. Tradeify 35% off right now. No activation fee. I mean, Funding Ticks, really solid as well. $50 for a 50K account and no activation fee. I go with the cheaper ones. So Funding Ticks, Trade Day, those are going to be the $50 to $60 range with no activation fee. You can't beat that. I mean, it's a really good deal. Funded Futures Network does have buy one, get one free as well. So that's a thing. But yeah, one of those. All right, guys, we're down to the London low here. I will be looking for a potential bounce long here. If ES can sweep the 80, recover 83, then I think that would be a solid long spot. Just for a scalp, push back into 90, 91. It's not looking for anything crazy. Yeah, this is an insane move down, huh? I mean, like, do you only see hardly any green candles in there? 110 points. I'm not fading you, Matt. Just saying, I think we could get a bounce there. Just get a bounce there. That's all. Don't fade me, bro. Don't fade me, bro. I'm already up $200, so I'm going to find a different account to take the opening trade with. I bought another account, but they don't have it set up yet. Just made 500 on EQ based off gold chart. Let's go. 600 might be the optimistic, 650, and I'll take it off. Listen, I mean, you got the London low down here at 586. I think you might be shortchanging yourself a little bit there, Matty Matt. If you've got a really good average, then I would just hold it. Because here's the thing, man. You got the London low here. That's probably going to be taken. And you got the potential gap fill all the way down at 500. So try to hold a runner or something. I don't know what your size is. But if you're already short and you got a really good average, take some off at level to level. But yeah, I would hold. I would just hold. I mean, not outside the realm of possibility for this thing to fill the gap. They're really not. You got one micro right now? Okay, I got you. Yeah, if you got one micro, just let that puppy run. Let it do some work. Let it do some heavy lifting. I don't know why they haven't given me my account yet. Yeah, ES is a lot closer to London, though. That's where I'm going to be looking for a little bit of a stab long, a little bit of a retracement, but not anything like crazy. Look for a few points. Did I select the wrong account? I don't know if I did. Did I do the wrong account there? Let me look and see if I got an email. I don't think I selected the wrong account. Maybe they're just slow at setting them up this morning. That must be what it is, because I don't have an email or anything from it. I did finish buying it, right? Sweep the Asia high up 315. I don't know if I accidentally bought this on the wrong thing. I may have. No, it's not on that connection. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know why I don't have the account yet, but I guess they're just slow at doing it. If you guys are not into the giveaway, yeah, jump in there. Exclamation point Kosh in the chat. You got to say it just like that. Kosh. Going to be 150K Take Private Trader account giveaway. Do I just go ahead and I may just do that? Let's do that too. I went ahead and I passed another Bulenox account. I think I'm just going to go ahead and activate it. Get started on that. There we go. Dang. Yes, bounced off that 66.83. I wanted it to sweep that 80 level before it retests that 90, but it didn't do it. What up, Trader Oracle? How you doing? Cash Patel? Cash Patel? We did, if you missed us yesterday, we did end up green on the Bulenox account yesterday, $400. So the balance currently at $54,604. I may just put this one away for the day. So we need $2,900 to reach payout. $2,900. All right, let me see here. All right, let's see here. What do we got here? We got about 15 minutes until open. I don't know. I still think we sweep lower at open. Kind of leaning towards the downside there. I'm going to disconnect and reconnect my Bulenox connection right quick. So this will go away for a moment. I'm going to switch over to the new Bulenox funded account to take this trade. Yes, back to 91. Kind of annoying because that's what I was waiting for, but a little differently there. Let's see, 549. I don't know. I don't quite know how I want to trade the opening today. How do I want to do it? Do I want to just do a straight trail stop? I think with a trail stop, I can bracket above and below, I think. We'll see. Let's check it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So if I go straight trail stop, then I may do that. Go for the 15-second or something like that. We'll see it open. See if we can get it. Well, we got about 12 minutes till open. No real news this morning. We do have small 10 o'clock news. Nothing crazy. Gap fill is going to be all the way down there at basically 500. London low down there 586. Probably the immediate draw on liquidity, I would think. Good morning, Timbo. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Watch 6681 to 83 back test from newsletter traps of the 2:40 a.m. low. Yeah, it's already what I'm looking at. That's what Mancini just tweeted. So we got about 10 minutes till open. ES rejecting that level there. I'll take the sweep of the London low and the recovery. Yeah, I started early today, Clarity, because I'm going to be ending early. Nice day to get a lot of denials. What happened, Lassie? Did you get a denial? Something wrong lately with Tradevate connection. You have $300 stop loss and you take $800 loss. That's weird. I've heard a couple of people complain about Tradevate when it comes to some stuff like that. That is wild. Oh, you broke the rules? Yeah. Added to it at the 90s. I mean, I do think it goes down, Matty Matt, but I could be wrong. Consistency target on trade day evals. Yes, it's 30%, Mo, so you can't make more than about 1,000 a day because you got to make a total of 3,000 in 5 days. So around 1,000 a day. I guess that's 33%, right? Is 1,000 30? Is that? So 900 a day. What caused the sell-off? I don't think anything. I just think that we ran all-time highs. I mean, you got to think, like, we were 120 points above all-time highs overnight. That's insane. So kind of expect a little bit of a pullback. Too big of a losses because of slippage. Can't do nothing about that. Yeah, that's crazy, Lassie. So I don't think anything really causes the sell-off. It's just more or less we just ran up. I mean, we're just like ran up huge overnight. I mean, look, here's your open all the way down here. 264 points overnight. So we'll kind of see what we get at open. Having a 30% consistency target in a 50K intraday combine is dirty work. I don't know. I don't think it's so bad. I think it's all right. It's all right. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. You just got to stick to that until you get through the combine, and then you're good. I'll see Faye. Good morning. You can't manage the trade. Manny Matt, just put your stop in to where you're comfortable. I know that's kind of scary. Kind of scary. Funded does not. It has intraday, but it ends once you hit the buffer I8 weeks. So if it's 50K, it's $2,000. Once you hit 2,000 in profit, it ends. It's whatever you chose. So if you chose end of day, if you chose the end of day account with trade day, it always stays end of day, even in the funded. If you chose the intraday account, it always stays intraday, even in the funded. So that's how they do it. Max is barking over there. What's the deal with Max? We've got about 5 minutes here until open. 16 would be a safe pullback zone if bullish, or wait for VWAP. Yeah. When are we giving out the giveaway? Lenny, it's going to be about 9:45, 9:55, somewhere in there. If you pick trade of 8, oh, that sucks with that. That does suck. Terry Trey's going to be on Patrick Weeman's streams for a chance at 25K. She finally got her big break and might make some money. Let's go. She might. Good morning, Tech T. I'd like to go there to make 25K. Give it to me. Let me do it. Got about 5 minutes till open. Oh, you've never seen her take a... I'm sure I think she's had a payout, but I'm not 100% sure. Good morning, Solo. Pretty sure Terry's had payouts. Morning, Danielle. If you guys haven't already entered the giveaway, exclamation point cash, 150K take private trader account. Giveaway is underway. If you don't go short, it's going to go straight down. All right, Smokey, for the rest of us, don't do anything, Smokey. Don't do nothing. I mean, we get you to swing up at open a little bit here. I don't really know. Trying to decide what I want to do here. Got 3 minutes until open, so we'll see. We're going to go down? Yeah, probably. Morning, Coach Fred. Hey, Dylan, you're lucky $2 to win the giveaway. Let's go. Maybe that'll make you happy. Hey, that happened before, Dylan. You remember that, right? Somebody donated like $2, $3, whatever it was, and then they won the giveaway promptly. You never know. Nate, good morning. Bounce at 6:35, maybe. Possibly. I mean, I'm looking for a small reversal on the ES here. I'm going to take an ES trade on a sweep of the London low and a recovery of the 83 out along that. If we get that at open, as long as I don't miss it. Oh, oh, that was you. I didn't know. I can't remember who did it. You're on it. See, you know what it requires. See. All right, we've got a minute. See kind of what happens. Pushing down towards the VWAP. All right, let's just see. Yeah, I'm going to take the 15-second, Eric. Going 15 seconds today. I'm leaning towards the push down. The problem is the VWAP is down. But that's what I'm leaning towards. But I am just going to bracket above and below, and we'll see whichever one it takes. That, that's all I'm going to do. So, all right, here we go. 10 seconds. All right, here we go. All right, well, that was wild. Lost $400 on that, which was a little bit. I mean, I guess we're at the VWAP. What do you expect, right? But it's okay. All right, ES is pushing now down. We'll see what we can do. No sweep of the London low yet on the ES. Did not sweep the London low there on the ES. What up, the Abyss? Yes, Tom, situation since I couldn't. He said, you're lying about the penguin suit. Oh, well. Good old Tom. No, we don't have beef. I mean, how do we not take out that London low? So annoying. I wanted to long off the London low there, and ES just did not take it out by a tick or two. Annoying. All right, ES back through the high there, opening print high. The downside to the 15-second orb failed. I mean, yeah, it's one of those things. Well, actually, did it even fail? I guess I would have gotten the 4 points if I didn't have a trail stop. If I just taken the straight 4 points, I would have gotten it. Dun, 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 dun. You did good? I hate weeks. Nice. Glitchy, very glitchy here. Pushing up there 700s. 707. Oh, I am on the 15. I don't know why I keep forgetting the switch. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I'm not really looking to take a trade here. But yeah, I don't really want to be on the 15 second. I was like, no wonder it looks glitchy. It's the 15 second. Twitchy, twitchy. Twitchy, twitchy. I don't know if you can trade Bitcoin futures, Tyson. I'm not sure on Take Profit Trader. Anybody know that? I'm not sure. I'm going to stab short here for a very quick 10 points or so. We get to the VWAP, I'll go break even if we get there. I want to see ES run that London low, but it hadn't got there yet. It's trying to take a couple of, I think, well, that was an I think trade. I think we're going lower. And the NQ said, nope, I don't think so. So ES pushing back up 90s here. ES rejecting at the 91 again. Ran up 1500. Let's go. Nice job, slow boy. Lock it out. Nothing wrong with that. What up, Justin? Yes, at 66.91. Let's see. There we go. Back above 91 there. Increase in Intel on a $5 billion investment. What happened? Oh, you don't trust the pump. It's kind of twitchy there. It's not really, I don't know. We'll see what happens. That's all we can do. Yes, at the 91. If we're going to turn down, this is kind of the spot where we will. I might stab short here. I don't know. For some reason, it did not get me in when I wanted in. Did you guys see that? Was that, did I press the button in the wrong spot? I don't even know. I have to lose 90 here to really go down. I'm being aggressive here, taking a short. ES gets above 91, we squeeze, and this gets stopped out. But we'll see. So kind of down there to like the 90 level. The push into 90, I'll go stop to break even. So somewhere in there, I think we should just dump here. We are going to trail this and lock some in. All right, stop me out there for a winner. Down 472 on it. London session was insane, yeah. Yeah, ES stuck right there, kind of rejecting off that 91 level. I'm still kind of looking for a bounce long on ES. Just got to sweep that London low, recover 83, and then I'll be looking for a squeeze. But approaching a trend line here. A little bit of a small trend line we got going on there. So if we can break through the lows here. Code for Elite Trader Funding. Elite Trader Funding, Justin, is a weird one. They just updated their stuff, so it's only a link now. So it's only a link. There's the link. Nice Smoky Bear. Now this thing's just pushing. All right, ES sweeping the London low there, or double bottom at it. It didn't run it yet. See if we get a recovery off the 83 or not. Okay, there's the push through the London low on the ES. So a close, if we get back above 83 here, I'm going to long ES. Guys, got about 4 minutes to enter the giveaway. Again, I'm going to be off the stream relatively early today. First time trading futures, I don't know how to control the size. Just go small size. I probably go 1 to 3 micros if you're just starting. Don't trade a mini. It's going to be too fast. I know the thrill of making the fast money is a thing, but don't do it. We rebalance this 1 minute gap. I'm going to take it down to the London low. So I'm going to look for a sweep lower here if we can get it. Step on the gas. See if you pass. Gave you 220 on 50K. Yeah, Kurt, that means you're on the NQ1. You're on the NQ Z5. If you go to MNQ Z5, one will only give you like $22 on that same play, but it's also risking less. And if ES squeezes back above 83, I'll be taking the long on ES, and this will just lose. There we go. Tagged in. Dun, 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 dun. Trying to have some patience here. Although if I do see that I'm break even on the day, I may just take it. And I know you're not supposed to trade your P&L, but we'll take it out there. Down $100 on this account now. After losing the opening range trade, and then I feel okay about being down $100 at this point. And taking maybe one trade that wasn't the greatest. Swooping of the London lows possible as well. Probably going to put the ES at the overnight low, somewhere near it, if we get down to the London low here. Now it's starting to push. Yes, tapping that 73. Next level down, the magnet at 66 from yesterday. Yeah, I hate weeks. I mean, I feel the same way. So I feel the same way. All right, guys, we're about to do the giveaway. If you're not in, exclamation point cash. Again, I got to end the stream early today because I have to be on my Fun and Futures TV at 10:30. So I'm going to get out. I'm going to leave a little early. Pushing into the 600 level here. See if we can push on through there. All right, we're about to do the giveaway here, guys. I hate to do it right in the middle of this, but push back up into 620s. I might stab one more time. Let's see here. Gonna stab here. Let's go. Back to green. Back to green. Let's go. Back to green. Let's go. All right. Let's do the giveaway. This is a long. Would wait for confirmation. Yeah, I would wait. Tough area here. I think we could bounce from here, but we're so close to the London low. ES so close to the overnight low. Probably just wait for there to take a long. To think about longs. You're short at 586. I mean, I think that's a great idea, Dylan. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. And the winner is... Everybody in? If you're waiting till the last second, it's not the thing to do. Winner is... Rob the Scalper. Emmett, you missed it. Rob the Scalper. Again, guys, I'll be on my Funded Futures TV at 10:30. The link, well, I'll drop the link in the... Rob, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com with your YouTube account and your login for your Take Profit Trader account. Yeah, Mo, the drought continues, yeah. Let me get the link to the My Funded Futures TV. You can join me on My Funded Futures TV. Feel free to clown me while you're on there too. It's fine. Clown me. So here's a link to it. All right, I might long here, guys. I was waiting for that other... I mean, we got this trap below here, so I'm going to probably long here on the ES. All right, I'm long. What the hell was that? Dude, it was on the wrong account. God dang it. The wrong account. Now I'm in higher than I wanted. I mean, I'm like 4 points higher. All I'll do is I'll take one off. Here, let's do this. I'm going to take one off here. And then I'll take the other off up higher. I'll go stop to break even at 91. I don't like my entry here, but it is what it is at this point. And stop really is a close back below 80 here. Is the stop. What I could do is maybe I could scale out one here. I don't know. Let's wait. So I could scale out one and look to add, but all right. Now I'm going to go stop to break even. And I'm going to look level to level here. And what I'll look to do is add on a pullback. It's exactly what I was looking for this morning. We outlined it. You know, same thing Mancini was saying. Sweep of the London low and then a recovery of the 83. You can see I got it marked out there. Must recover. Seize level to level action. And I got in 2 points, really quite a bit more higher than I wanted to. But that's okay. All right. Now, I could take a retest of 83. It's definitely not going to be as good considering we've already went level to level. It's definitely not as good of a trade, right, as just the breakthrough would be. I was trying to hit the button at 84 there, and I got filled at 87 because I was on the wrong account. Sucks, but it is what it is. Still up $200. Still took $200 winner there. Can't complain, right? Cannot complain. So we could try a retest of the 83. So anyways, kind of missed that trade. Sucks, but it is what it is. We'll take it. We'll take the $200. I don't know if I'll take it here on this. Probably won't take it on a retest of 83. Because we already went level to level. Well, Tyson, it depends. I mean, every scalp that I take, I'm looking for something different, right? Every scalp that I'm taking, I'm looking for something different. So Just depends. Like on that ES trade, I mean, that's just a sweep of the London low and a recovery of a key level at 83. So just a failed breakdown trade. That's all that is. Failed breakdown of a level, and you just take it level to level. Really very easy. Just very, very simple. Other scalps, I'm looking for a bounce off a key level. I'm looking for, an inverse. I'm looking for, that sort of thing. A 5-minute inside bar, variety of things. You know what? I'm going to take the bounce off 83. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try the bounce off 83 here, even though I said I wasn't going to. And let's see what we get. Looking for 88. If it pushes through, back through the 80 level, I'll probably just kill it. ES is back to, or Nasdaq back to the VWAP here. Decent amount of support in this level. Let's see if it can hold it. If we lose the VWAP, then that's not going to be a good look. So, again, if it just kind of pushes below this London low again and we lose the VWAP here, I'm just going to get out. So I got the hand on the trigger here. Stops in now. All right. Again, I mean, I said I wasn't going to take it. Then I just decided, okay, we're just kind of easing back into it. Maybe I'll take it. So break even on the day on that account now. Support and resistance, that one of my key trading things, looking for levels. Yeah. Does Buellanox allow 1 day eval to pass? Yeah, it's 1 day, Mo. All right. See you, Lassie. We recover this 83 out long again. But I don't know. I think we're probably going for that overnight low and that London low now. If I had to guess. Overnight low on ES, London low on Nasdaq potential. That was a little weird. What is that? You're getting a lot of lag today. That's crazy. You stabbed long at 630s, nearly had 20 points. God dang it. That sucks, Alito. Oh, you got it. Goodness. I don't know what that candle was. That was a very, very interesting candle. Jump back in long over here. Looking good, looking good. Targeting the 91. Targeting the 91. Let's go. Recovered the 83 there. Jumped in long. One more again. One more time. And here's top of the hour. Can he hit my target? Come on. Bang. Let's go. Ha. So got back in long there for the recovery. As soon as we squeezed back above and closed here, jumped back in long for 6 points. Let's go. Now it's breaking out. I should have left a runner this time, huh? Should have left a runner. No, it's not really Tech T. Not really. Usually I'm on at like 11:30. So 10:30 is just one of those days where it is making me in early, but that's okay. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. Shorting here. All right, well, if you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe for me. If you're not yet subscribed, I will be back. I'll come back after the My Fun and Futures stream probably today, since I got a little bit of time. But join me over there on My Fun and Futures at 10:30 a.m. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you then.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your